Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Vox. Tracy here, and I have an unboxing for you. Now I also have to listen out for the door, so this looks like a pretty sturdy box with staples in it. So yeah, I'm not sure how easy this is going to be to open or even where to start. Can't see a joint. Okay. That's not going to be easy. So I'm going to pause this video, get into that box, and I'll come back to you, because otherwise that looks a bit dangerous to attack with my knife. So don't want to come a cropper. I'll be back. Phew. I managed to get into the top. It was the only way in. But here we are. It is, I'm not expecting a few things. So this one is from Tulip, and I guess I haven't got any scissors. I've got another knife. I'm not really good with these, am I? I shouldn't really use knives. But yeah, this is an order for my shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk, and these things have started to fly out the door again. If you can ever get in them, they love a bit of tape. Good grief. Here we go. That's it. So where can if I put that, I can always take this back up. I always put these in bubble wrap. This is big bubble wrap though, look. This is actually big blisters, and they pop so well. Endless hours of fun. Okay, so got reams of that stuff. So this is the Tulip I-cord knitter. There are lots of I-cord makers on the market. Well, I say lots, there are a few, but none of them are any good apart from this one. This is the best, and it is not hang on a sec, missing Joan. They're not the cheapest, but then that's because they're the best, and you can get cheaper, but they are inferior. I have one. I did a little video that shows how it works, and it was my first time out the packaging and doing it in front of you guys. So if it was going to be difficult, you know, you were going to see me struggle, but it was dead easy. And there are lots of things you can do with them. You can make wording, you know, you can do long words, you can make bracelets, and you can make amigurumi bits and bobs, and you can do tails and all sorts, bag straps. That's what I thought I'd do it for, but I've got quite a few of these for the shop, and I'm going to have to get them all out to get to the bottom of the box. I'm not sure. I didn't order a great deal from them because, well, I've got a few orders going on, as you so yeah, they come in bubble wrap, and if they ever send them to me without bubble wrap, I'll put my own on, because, you know, I don't want the packaging, you know, plastic packaging at the corners can come through the... Oh my goodness, how many did I get? All of them, I think. Okay, so in here is a little box. Excuse me. Another box. A box. And now the box is fallen off, so I'm going to perch that there precariously. And let's pick up this box. Make sure that it's just bubble wrap and nothing else. Oh my goodness. Would help if I got rid of that from under my armpit. And paperwork. So now I'm going to move that over there. So I'm waiting for a parcel that Gary has ordered, my partner. And so if the doorbell goes, I will have to go and open the door, and I'll have to pause it, but hopefully I'll get this done before. Okay, so I did have a massive order, but it was really big, and I thought, well, I've got other orders to place. So I kind of took all of the excess stuff that I could do later on out of my box. And then, as usually happens, something sold out and I wish I'd kept it in. But never mind. I will relieve my stress by popping. Big kid, I know. Okay, so I have the Tulip Etimo Grand Hook in a size 10. I was out of stock, so I went and got some more of those. And the size 8 Grand Hook. Right, what else have we got in here? Oh, a big fat tulip mind. Now, those are ergonomic and plastic. These are more of a resin, I think, and they're not ergonomic, but they've got such a fat handle. I find I don't need that, so that's cool. And we've got some tulip. They used to be calling them gold, but now they say dark, but it's just gold to me because it's got a gold end. And that's just restocked a few of these. And the red Etimos in a 6. And what's this one? A 5. A 5. So now I wish I'd got some more, but like I said, I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me, guys. It's the box, I think. Box dust and stuff like that. Little fibres. Anyway, that's a nice box. You know, when it comes to like Christmas presents and they arrive, I always find a box to put them in to actually wrap them, and that's a good one. That's a nice size. So the reason I do is because when you find you get a present for somebody like this, that always breaks the paper, doesn't it? It's really annoying. So I try and save that one there. That would definitely break the paper. So I try to save up boxes for those kind of things. But yeah, these are brilliant. I love these. And at one point I couldn't order them. They were out of stock for a very, very long time. I guess it took them ages to manufacture and get them back in. But once they did, every time I ordered, they flew out the door, and I just couldn't keep them in stock. But now, here they are. They're back again. They're back again, which is brilliant news. Now, I also have some other orders on their way, and some more goodies. Because I don't know if you've seen my video, but I've got a feeling that parcel is outside, and I'm going to have to interrupt my video, but I've been doing these. So in these, this is my 12 days of Christmas Advent mystery sacks. Well, hey, and in them they're wrapped up presents, but some of them are, well, majority of it obviously is yarn, but some of it is very special yarn, and some of it is accessories, and it's quite special accessories. So I've been running out of things that, you know, are quite nice to have. So if I know the person's a crocheter, I can put some hooks in maybe. If I know they're a knitter, I can put needles. But if I don't know, then it's accessories that are for either craft, as you can imagine what they are. So I'm without saying. So you might get something really special in the yarn department as your main, or you might get something special in the accessory department as your main. But there are also little bits in there, but there are also lovely, lovely things. So that's the 12 days of Christmas. Now, I've asked my webman, Chris, to come up with a pop-up that not only tells you about the Santa sacks. I did those last year. They're just mystery sacks, and there's small ones. I've got a small one here somewhere. Where are you? Small ones, or that one that you just saw, are the big ones. Now, they're just listed as filled Santa sacks, mystery bags. But I know some people just like acrylic, so I'm going to make a pop-up on my website where it will say, if you want specifically acrylic, just message the site. There is a contact us bit just do that and say, as long as your order name corresponds with your email, don't forget, if you've got an email address that's not your name, I can't match that up. So you have to sign it with your name that your order comes up as, you know. And then I know that when I pack that one, I need to do an acrylic one, whether that's the mystery sack, the Santa sack, or the 12 days of Christmas. You can tell me either. But yeah, I love these things. I'm going to use mine soon on a little project that I've got going. So yeah, tell me, have you ever used one? Have you got a different one? What do you think of that one? Because I've heard awful things about the other brands. I can stock them. I've found places in the past, you know, I've got lots of suppliers that sell all of those, but I've never thought, oh, I'm going to go for that one. Even well-known brands, I tend to stay clear because I know that that one is the kind of industry leader, you know. So I like to stay with the best one. I don't want to stock lots of different ones. Basically, don't have the space as well to stock. Stop popping. Can't help it. It's just so tempting. But yeah, I haven't got the space to just get 5 different brands of it. So I tend to go for the best one. Anyway, that is my little unboxing. And it was little because it was all more or less these and some lovely tulips. So I'm going to put in an order very soon for more hooks. It's just I needed just this little one to tide me over because I have got more yarn on order and some war genies and other things. So yeah, once they arrive, I can get more of whatever needs stocking up. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye for now.